Hello and welcome to a Christmas recipe from Eat Skinny Life. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make chocolate orange brownies using a chocolate orange and Sweet Freedom's Choc shot. Now you can get this in all major supermarkets, but I'm going to put a link down below so you can grab that if you want to. So let's get cooking. Okay, you want to preheat your oven to 170 degrees and you want to sift your 100 grams of self-raising flour. Then into that you want to add 50 grams of reduced fat spread or margarine and 4 tablespoons of granulated sweetener. Next you want to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Next comes the Sweet Freedom Choc shot. Now you need 4 teaspoons of this. Sweet Freedom do actually make a chocolate orange flavour syrup as well, so if you want extra chocolatey oranginess you can get that one as well, and the link to that is in the description box. Next you need to add in 4 eggs. Then you need to whisk that all together until it is smooth and combined. Then pour it into a pre-lined tray. This one's 8 inches by 8 inches, and you want to then put your orange segments onto the top once it is all into the tin. Pop that into the oven for approximately 17 minutes. And there you go, chocolate orange brownies. And that is it, a fantastic way of using up your chocolate orange, making it last that little bit longer. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button, and if you'd like to keep up to date with new recipe videos, consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Thank you so much for watching, Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the next one.